Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Brooke if you guys are new here, and today's gonna be a few days in my life, starting off the week strong. I feel like I never really vlog on weekends anymore, and today is Sunday. We're about halfway through Sunday, but I figured I'm starting to put the pieces of my life together. Do you guys do this too on Sundays? Like I do laundry. I mean, I always do laundry, but like I have this drying rack out. I am putting things together. I just got an exciting package. So I'm just kind of like sorting out my life for the week, putting away laundry, putting away everything. I always have to do laundry now because I'm just like a fit gal. Because I work out now, so like I have to put away my laundry. You guys get it. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, subscribe. I post new videos all the time and I'm so happy to have you. Speaking of laundry, I have a bunch of delicates in here, so let's get that going. I'm wearing this very cute tank top from Amazon, as well as my Lululemon groove pants. Yeah, I've just been feeling really good. I'm gonna use one of these little Tide Pods. I just like them. They're really efficient. When I was in college, I started using like laundry pods just because they're easy to pop on in there with your stuff. I wash all of my like athletic wear and stuff like that on either delicate or sport mode. Just depends what I'm feeling. Like right now we'll do delicate. You guys know I've been like on the weight loss kick and everything, so I'm just feeling really good, feeling really confident in my body and stuff like that. So it feels good to be able to, I don't know, like wear like loungewear like this around that, not loungewear, but like athletic wear like this around the house. I don't know, I just feel really confident for the first time in a really long time. And I'll link these pants down below. I'm wearing a size, I want to say I'm wearing a size 8. It's 130. I just have a lot of stuff to put away. I need to like put on a podcast and just kind of like do it. Okay, let's pick a podcast. This is not sponsored, but how cute is my Case-to-Buy case? I just got this new one. I love the font on the bottom. It matches my necklace. This is from Medina's Jewels, by the way. I always get questions on it. My necklace that I wear every single day. Oh, I showed you guys in my last week in my life, but I got my nails super fun. How fun are they? The more and more the days go on, usually I hate nail art like after a day or two, and I actually still really like it. So that's when you know. This is exciting. We can do this together. Today is February 28th. So tomorrow is the first day of March. So let's turn the calendar. We'll turn that over and I have a new month, and then I get to save my picture from the last month. So cute. This is one of my favorite pictures of me and my mom because it was her birthday month. I can't believe February's already over. It is like one of those months that's like stupid quick anyways. How is it over? I mean, seriously. I'm just cutting off the bottom edge. I feel like I've been trying to like break out of my routine of every single day being the same, just because that's when I get like sad and like in my head and stuff like that. So I've been feeling actually like a lot better recently. I don't know about you guys. Obviously with the health and fitness stuff, like that's nice because it gives me a little bit of like something to work towards right now, but not even just that. I've been like getting out a little bit more, going and like working at coffee shops, indoor and outdoor. Indoor dining's open here now again, which is nice because it's been really cold and just like kind of a miserable winter. This is what the fridge looks like. Cute, right? Pharmacy sent me this loaf of bread as well as a bunch of other produce, and I really want to have like a thick slice of sourdough, so maybe we'll do that in a little bit. I've been trying to switch up the content on my Instagram and Instagram stories specifically, so I just did this poll of like who do I look like, and a lot of you guys submitted things and then I replied and said like what I think, and we did like a poll. So go follow me on Instagram if you want to be a part of like the fun and more stuff like this. I'm trying to, like I said, like really switch it up. Besides that, look at like what we're working with right now. So let's clean up. I'm almost done with this episode, but I really like You Up podcast because I think they're very fun. Now I'm listening to Gretchen's podcast. It makes me so happy. I miss her. I just made some tea. I busted out my kettle again. I was gonna try on some of these clothes. I'll show you guys. I just got a bunch of clothes from Revolve. They say my apartment number on the box, but I got some cute stuff. I don't know, should I do a try on haul? Probably not, but just because some of the stuff is like a little intimate. This little crossover top, hopefully it fits. I kind of want to put on this set after I'm about to take a bath. I have to run it still, but run it up. I'm gonna read in the bath today. I'm really feeling that. Look how cute, like these little shorts, this little tank, like this is like Skims vibe. I still need to try Skims. Actually, that's on my list of like stuff to order. Let me know if you guys would be interested if I show you guys that and like review it. This is my vaccine shirt. Everyone is posting about like their vaccine shirts because it's like, you know, your like upper arm is out. I think this is cute. It's like a little moment, turtleneck sort of deal. And then this, we got a little romper. Cute, right? This is cute. Little romper. Another little shirt. I'm gonna be posting on Instagram stories and that stuff, so I'm gonna leave it in the box for now. Love these candles from Braun Candle Co. Business of the week, gals on the go. Speaking of which, I have to do some episode prep. We are doing an interview tomorrow, so Need to do some of that still this evening. I'm probably gonna order some kava. You guys know I'm addicted. Run my bath. Here we go. Boom, boom. All right, this is just a little preview of a grocery haul. I just got a few things, really not too much. I wanted to do like a real stock up at some point, but I needed fruit, so I got halos, I got pineapple, I got some more Laughing Cow cheese. I just got some sourdough sent to me by a brand, so I have sourdough. We have almond milk, cold brew. I got more Ready Whip because I put that on everything, and I just eat it plain. Some spinach for eggs. I do have eggs. I got this Caesar dressing, some salad kits, random, but I got Advil, water, chicken noodle soup, and some Halo Tops. So that's the haul. You guys, good morning. Check out this set that I got from Revolve. I really need to steam it. I just tried to edit out the wrinkles a little bit. We'll see if it looks dumb. I'm gonna post on Instagram. Took some pics this morning. I put on a little bit of makeup because I woke up and I was like, you know what? Let's take some morning pics, like a little coffee moment with this set. It's all three like separate pieces, but I thought that was really cute. It is Monday. I have quite a few things to do today. I have to submit a video to a brand for approval. I have to send in some like screenshots, like analytics. After I work with the brand, I have to submit like the analytics back to the brand, if that makes sense. I keep saying if that makes sense. I'm sorry. It does make sense. But after I work with the brand, then they want, you know, the stats of how many swipe ups it got and how many clicks and whatever. So I screenshot that and submit it to them. And I worked with one like last week, so I have to send that in. We're recording the podcast today, later this afternoon, but I want to record the ads, or my portion of the ads. Danielle and I usually split them. Yeah, just gonna have a little morning. I feel so cute in this pink set. It's very like, well, would you even consider this pink? It's like muted pink, but very my vibe, right? At least I think so. Oh, I forgot to show me making coffee, but I just frothed up some of that almond milk, put a little bit of almond milk in the stock cold brew, which I love that cold brew, so good. I'm about to make some eggs. Right now I have some spinach going. Don't really have any other veggies. Otherwise I would add in some veggies, but I'm gonna do some eggs, some spinach, like I said, and then some cheese. I just had a little piece of sourdough. I'm watching Molly, about to podcast in an hour. I'm glad I put on makeup and stuff today because I filmed for the brand. I took some Instagrams. I just felt motivated this morning, so I was like, let's get it done, people. I've also been into tea these past like little moments. So I put my kettle back out on my counter. Been drinking a lot of tea. I organized like my tea container. Nothing really too crazy to show, but I just like took everything out of the packaging, and I have these clear like bins from CVS. I have a mix of these teas. This is Vadam. This, we have some Trader Joe's, some Yogi. I like that brand a lot. I like these all, really. I just decided to organize it, and that goes right here in this cabinet. This is all pretty organized. My nails are fun, right? I'm gonna show them like that. Cool. I don't have a clean like utensil right now, so I'm using like this one. Spinach cooks down so much, I legit used like half the container. Not too bad, right? Looks yum. I just took a bath. It was really quite enjoyable. My hair is kind of greasy, but we're just gonna like leave it be for like another day or so. And my skin's not the best. I'm actually gonna use some of these Zit Sticka. They sent me some of their acne patches. The Killa ones are really, really good. I actually used one on my pimple up here that kind of went away, but then like here around my nose, I'm kind of getting some. Acne's a battle, man. I've been using the tretinoin that my dermatologist prescribed me, like another topical, because I went off the oral one. After I put this on, I wanted to show you guys some other self-care-y like favorites. You guys have probably seen like I've just been investing a lot of like time and money into like random stuff that I'm doing. Not even always that it's money. Like, I don't know, I feel like with focusing on weight loss, you want to invest more in you. Like, I know that it might be kind of strange to say if you don't know what I'm talking about. There we go, looking really good. I don't know, I'm just like taking care of myself in terms of that sort of stuff. I really want that all to shine through in like every kind of element of my life. Anyways, I'll show you some of my favorites that I've been doing on my body recently to get like glowing skin, if you will. Starts in the shower. Favorite body wash as of recent is the Nivea White Peach and Jasmine. Cannot recommend this enough. It smells delightful. It just smells like white peach and jasmine. Like, that's just the best way that I can describe it. It's like sweet without being too sweet. I've been using this when I shower and stuff. It's just a really good scent, and it leaves my skin feeling really soft. And then when I get out of the shower for moisturizers, I've been using this Glossier body oil Just do be warned, this is like really, really oily. Like I sprayed, it's a spray bottle, and I sprayed some on the floor. Now my like floor is all greasy. You're kind of like slicked up, so you don't want to like sit on anything for a while, but that's really good. And like just gets your legs like nice and like good looking, or your arms or whatever you want to show off. And then I do use these two products from Truly. This is the Buns of Glowery that I use on my butt, and the Acai, your boobies. Do I believe that these truly lift or do anything different? No, but they moisturize really well, and I do like serums. So I will link these below. I'll try to link everything. This is out of order, but I use this probably once every 2 weeks or so. The Dr. Dennis Gross exfoliating pads. They make these for your face, but I'm talking about the body ones. They're pretty big. I used this yesterday before I showered. It says begin application with folded towel on clean dry skin, massage upwards using circular motion. It says to use it 2 times per week. I don't think you need to use it that much, but it just like, it's a nice gentle exfoliator that is like in a pad form. I like the way it makes my skin feel afterwards. I like the like glowy look it gives afterwards. You don't even have to shower necessarily after you use it. If you just want to use it as like a midday refresh, could be cool. Especially if you're wearing, I love like moisturized and like oiled up, like just like that sort of look for when I'm wearing a tank top or something like that, you know? When I wash my face and everything like that, I've just been keeping it gentle and using CeraVe, but I always use my Foreo cleanser to like go in and wash my face with. I've been using Billy razors for a while now. They're pretty good. You get the refill cartridges. I get them like every month. I get like I think 4 refill blades, so I use like each one of these for like a week. I don't shave every day. Let me know how often you guys shave. Well, now I'm getting my underarms lasered, so hopefully I won't have to shave those. Eventually, I'll be able to stop. I'm going for the next session like a month though. I have a while, but hopefully eventually I'll be like good on that front. That would be really, really good. My birthday is coming up. I know it's still fun. It's over a month away, but my birthday is April 15th, and it's just kind of crazy that I feel like it was just my birthday. My last birthday was, you know, in quarantine. I was home on Long Island. My friends like drove by my house in like a parade. It was so cute and fun, and I can't believe we're like approaching that again. Like, what? Crazy. I was just listening to Michelle Reed's podcast. I listened to like all my friends' podcasts. I have like my top podcasts that I talked about in my recent Q&A video that don't have to do with my friends, but then I listened to like pretty much all my friends' podcasts. I'm wearing the same romper I wore last night. I don't know if I showed you guys. It's definitely very oversized, but it's super comfy. I'm inspired right now to do like an order of Skims. Like right now I'm wearing this like little bralette. I mean, it's basically a bra, so I'm not gonna show you. From Hanky Panky, and it's inspiring me to like do like a Skims order. I've never ordered from them, but I'm really in the mood. I've been kind of abstaining or trying to from online shopping because I want to wait until I hit my goal weight, which I am fine to wait. Like, I'd rather wait and then like buy clothes then. I'm gonna turn off this light so that it's not super distracting. I did want to talk about books. I've also been slowing my progress on books. I just want to be like super real. I feel like I like went after it like super hot and heavy with the books really for a while, but then recently I've just been like calling my friends and family a lot before bed, and that's usually the time that I read. It's not that I haven't had time, I just haven't put the time in my day to read again, and I really want to make that a habit again because now I'm like halfway through both of these books, and I really just need to, I need to at least finish one. I really am enjoying them both too. I'm just like, every time that I go to read, I'm like, oh, but I could call my friend, and then I end up on the phone for like 3 hours with my friends. You know, my friends that like I don't see all the time that live in like Atlanta. I'm just a big FaceTime gal these days, I guess, so that's been like distracting me because I don't really read generally in like the middle of the day. Usually I like work and stuff in the middle of the day, and then I'll read in the other time slots of my day. So that's that. Hi guys, next day. I didn't end off this vlog, and I don't know, I just felt like it abruptly ended, so thank you so much for watching. It's been a chill few days. Some days are slower than others, and that is more than okay, so give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, subscribe if you guys are new, and I'll talk to you all in another video super soon. Bye guys!